welcome. Today's video is an unbagging that I've never done before on our channel, and it is a mystery bag by Ipsy. I have a lot of thoughts and a lot of feelings on this, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda feel scammed, just a smidgen. Anyways, guys, before we jump into the video, your girl is caffeine strong, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a flare up this week, so if I seem out of sorts as far as my uploads go, like a little ho-hum, you probably noticed that in mine and Hailey's Ipsy Glam bag plus and our Ipsy unbagging. Like I said, I'm just having a flare up, so it's like the joys of having an autoimmune disease, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, guys, before we jump in, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, and I make my videos very long, very rambly, and thank you guys for all of your love and support, because what was it? What day are we today? It is Wednesday. I'm like so completely thrown off. Tuesday's video went up and you guys showed so much love in that video where I talked about my rambling and not being everybody's cup of tea. And can I just say, you guys are the absolute best. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And just know that you guys mean the absolute world to me. Like I always tell you guys, this is a judgment-free zone where we embrace the hot mess. We run on so much caffeine, and at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious, and you guys are legitimately the best. We are almost to 20K, and I'm completely blown away, like completely blown away by all of it. So let me explain this because I'm off. I know I'm off. We're 2 minutes in and I think that I've repeated myself probably 15 different times, but I'm sorry. My belly hurts so bad. Like I'm telling you guys, when I have a flare up, I have a flare up. And it started last week and I was like, no girl, you can work through it. You can work through it. My body has other ideas and I'm like, I don't like you. So anywho, I picked this bag up off of Ipsy somehow. I was in my, it's out of stock right now too. So here's the dealio. I happened to go to the app. I happened to be checking something out and it said limited edition Valentine's Day mystery bag. And it has a retail value of $65.67 for $14 free shipping. And I was like, oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. Over $65 worth of product for $14? Like that should have got me right there, but it did not. Have I been overly excited with Ipsy lately? I have not. You guys have seen that. Some of you guys even question, why in the real heck, Rhonda, do you still keep giving Ipsy your money? I don't know. I just keep hoping it's gonna go back to the way it used to be. You know what I mean? I'm like one of those people where I just want to believe the best in Ipsy. Like they're gonna bring it back. You know, they're gonna bring it back. Anywho, so this is what I got. Like I said, limited edition Valentine mystery bag. So this is what it looks like. Cute little velvet bag, kind of similar to what we got in this month's Ipsy. And a little bit about it. So I don't sound like a complete ding dong for buying this. It says, stay be mine to 5 surprise products that that'll get you date night ready. All a super, you guys know your girl's dyslexic is real. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Take 2. Say be mine to 5 surprise products that'll get you date night ready, all in a super cute bag. Plus, every bag will receive 1 bonus keychain gift. Good job, girl. Want a hint? Your mystery bag may contain products from these Ipster favorite brands: Hey Honey, Lovecraft Beauty, Tarte, and more. Limit 3 bags per order. I'm like, oh, it's gotta be good if they're putting a limit on it, right? So here's the first item. I haven't even opened everything. I just peeked in. I was like, what? So the first item is by Beauty Crop. And it says not for resale on the back. Not a big deal. I mean, it's kind of one of those things where, you know, a subscription service buys from companies in bulk and in order for the company not to, like, I guess, lose out, they put not for resale on the back. I think just kind of looking at it, I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell in there. It looks like maybe it's a deep bronze color, potentially. Honestly, guys, there's not even a card in here. So I couldn't even tell you if I wanted to. Just as a beauty crop, and that little thing's over there. I think it's called HAILEY'S maybe. I'm not for sure. I'm really not for sure. I would assume it's an eyeshadow, obviously, with that color. But I don't know. So there's that. And then the next item, now this one I was not upset about, only because I have this, hold on, let me grab it. It's actually one of my, like, I keep my go-to makeup that I use quite often right here. And here's like some of my highlighters and blushers in here. And you'll see in here that I got this. And I've talked about this a lot. This is the Wonder Beauty, and I'm assuming it's the same shade. Let's see. Let's just open it up, sis. After Hours? Yeah, okay. So we'll put this one off to the side then. So I got another After Hours highlighter. So it's gonna look, okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a highlighter and it's very pretty. I mean, I told you guys, I really enjoy the Wonder Beauty highlighter. Now I will tell you guys, for me right now, it's a little too much of like a golden in it with, you know, my lack of tan right now. So I always go for my Gerard Cosmetics in Grace. That's my go-to, and you can see the undertone difference. The Grace is a bit more cooler of an undertone. So for me right now, hold on, that's what works better than this one, because this one is a little bit warmer. But this is a beautiful highlight. The Wonder Beauty just melts into your skin, just like the Gerard Cosmetics. So of course this, and I actually purchased this one as an add-on for Ipsy for like $3. So I was happy to get this one in backup, but again, you're telling me this is a $60-some bag. So keep that in mind, y'all. The next item is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. So it's, again, a deluxe size sample. 15 minutes to new skin. Ah! I just bit my tongue. Owie. Okay. Next is a brush. It is an anti... I don't even know what this is. It's a concealer brush by Beauty something. So it's that. Now mind you, the regular Glam bag is $12. Just remember that. Okay, so the next item is Party Dress by Tarte. I think I actually just got this, or maybe it was Haley, I can't remember. But oh, that's a fun shade. I can't get the little doodad off. Do you see it? It reminds me, and again, one of my top blushers up here by Collab. Do you guys see it? Very similar. I'll be honest with you, I am happy with this color because it's not something we typically get. I feel like typically they give us like that really pale pinky shade. So I do like getting something like that, but because I have this huge collab one, like I said, it'll go in a giveaway. And the last item is an Ipsy keychain. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. We got this brush, concealer brush, which I will tell you guys, it's very, I don't like the feeling. I'm such a texture weirdo. Like, there is just certain brushes that I'm like, you can't touch my face. That's too much. You know what I mean? Then there was the Beauty Crop, the Tarte, which I like that. Of course, I love the Wonder Beauty. The Hey Honey. You know what? All in all, it was a $14 bag that claimed $65 and change worth of product. Do you guys see it? Just kind of curious about it. Did y'all pick this up? Would I buy it again? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Now, don't get me wrong. I always tell you guys, when it comes to subscription boxes or subscription services, you do take that gamble. You do take a gamble, but the way I look at it is I'm like, oh, at the same time, I get to add to my collection, build my collection. 9 times out of 10, I make anything work in here. But I think, like I said, I can't get past the whole limited edition, got me, and the fact that for $65, I honestly thought there was gonna be maybe 1, possibly 2 full-size products in here. And you guys see where I'm going with this? So let me know if you picked up this limited edition holiday Valentine bag. This was definitely a no-go for me. I don't know. I really want to get you guys' thoughts on this. Now, if you guys go back and watch a lot of mine and Hailey's unboxing videos last year, Ipsy was doing amazing. I would say probably around summertime, spring, summer, things were doing really good with Ipsy, whether it be their bags. And for a while there in the beginning of 2019, the bags were getting a little rough. As you guys know, I went in, I changed my age on there, and I put that I was in like my mid-20s. My bags got a lot better, and I mean, I started like totally like winning the mother versus daughters. And this year though, like, I don't think that even changing my profile is going to save anything at this point. I feel like it's either very repetitive, and I think too, I can't get over the fact that they raised it a couple dollars, and I don't see where that's coming back to us. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of you guys have mentioned the same thing. Like, they upped it from 10 to 12, telling us we were gonna be, you know, it was for us, but we're not seeing it. I want to know what you guys' thoughts are on it. I would say right now, I'll be honest with you guys, Ipsy is really teetering. I have added the Allure Beauty Box, and I've only gotten January so far. February just came in, and I need to unbox that, so I'll actually be doing that video today. But I have to say, the January Beauty Box alone for $3 more, I thought it was absolutely amazing, like absolutely amazing product. So like I said, I'm kind of teetering with Ipsy. It makes it a little hard only because I love doing the videos with Hailey. So, and I hold out hope that Ipsy's gonna bring it back. You know, that they're going to come back and they're going to step it back up, and they're going to, you know, reach the level that they used to be at. So let me know down below you guys' thoughts on Ipsy. Do you feel like they're falling a little behind? I mean, think about it, guys. There are so many different subscription services that are coming out or that are currently out that give us skincare, that give us makeup. And do you feel like they're falling behind on it? Like, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna hop off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to subscribe before you leave if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time over here. I do have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I'm not gonna lie, with not feeling good that like last week and now this week, I've been struggling to get content over there. Normally I upload about 3 days a week over there, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, which I haven't done. Not even gonna fib about it. Like I said, autoimmune life. Ugh, it's rough sometimes. So anyways, guys, don't forget to check my description boxes down below. I have a giveaway going on currently over on my other channel and on this channel. So links to everything will be in the description box. Definitely let me know your thoughts, and as always, let's treat others the way we want to be treated, which of course is kind, because there's no drama for this mama. I don't have the patience and I don't have the energy. So anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!